I snuck onto Air Force One.
There are just so many little planes in here. There's no way I can show them all.
Oh yeah.
World War I era.
I love how they have the mannequins sitting in the planes. That is really a
World War II.
Alrighty. Look at the difference in planes. Okay, here's the Memphis Belle. An American icon.
Korea was the beginning of the jet age. They had a few jets in World War II, but not very many.
Basically, after Korea, we went into what we'd considered the Cold War era.
This would be the Peacekeeper. The Peacekeeper served as the U.S. Air Force's most powerful effort. Alright, an independent Air Force. On July 26, 1947, President Harry S. Truman used this pen to sign the National Security Act of 1947. Douglas V-54 Sacred Cow, the first dedicated presidential aircraft. Alright guys, let's go. Truman's plane. Perfect.
Oh, they were gonna get the smoke on there. Looks like the ashtray.
Thanks.
That's phenomenal or what?
Woo! Okay. Here's the little office. Holy shoot. This was Kennedy's plane. And Jeff's gonna take you through it.
Okay, this is the cockpit of Kennedy's Air Force One.
And with President Kennedy came the space age.
Apollo 15. Spacesuit from 1969. Space shuttle, look at that. These stealth. Yeah. So many planes. These are pretty cool.
Then we finally got to see our girls.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So that's good, right?
Looks good to me.
There you go. Look where my girls are taking me. Where are we going?
To Dollywood! Dollywood, baby!
Chasing rainbows. The Dolly Parton story.
Want to go into the museum?
Sure.
Four powerful women right there.
Where?
Oprah, Carol Burnett, Julie Andrews, and Dolly.
Oh yeah. Look at these. She sure has a lot of pictures with a lot of people.
Oh, well, hello, everybody. How are you? Well, I hope you're having a wonderful time here at Dollywood. You know, I always wish that I could personally greet each and every guest that comes here. Well, as it turns out, that's another one of my dreams that I was able to make come true. So welcome to my Chasing Rainbows Museum.
What did you guys find?
Lifetime Achievement.
A Lifetime Achievement Award?
Emmy. Yeah.
Oh,
I've never seen one up close.
me neither. Isn't that something? Oh, there she is holding it right there. Look at the car. Come here. We put our masks down.
Oh.
It was a nice day. It was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful day at Dollywood, at Dollywood, at Dollywood. Oh, Christy. What'd you think of Dollywood?
I had a good time. It was a good day for it.
Yeah.
What'd you
It was a
think,
beautiful day. Beautiful day. Thank you for taking me to Dollywood. Okay. I'm exhausted.
Fun decorations. Yeah.
They were. Look at that. Look at the mailbox. Look at these. Okay, y'all name them. Oh, John Wayne, Elvis, Marilyn, and Charlie Chaplin. But it was cool to come see the outside. We're going to Cades Cove.
Hi guys. Today's road trip we went through Cades Cove. We wanted to check out the beautiful fall colors out in the Smoky Mountains. We drove for hours just checking out the colors, and we were lucky enough to see a black bear on the way, and just had a great time with the girls and checked out the beautiful scenery out in Cades Cove.
All right, we're going on Cades Cove Loop, and it looks like it's gonna be a slow one. Entrance to the park is free, so your donations count. And there's a bear on the picture.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. Yep. They're posing. There's one way up there.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that little guy. Look at him. Hey, bears. See that bear?
That was pretty cool.
I saw a bear. It was cool.
See any?
That's really pretty through there. Mm-hmm. I don't think it'd be as pretty.
It wouldn't be as dynamic.
Well, if she had her window down all the way, I wouldn't have to put my hand up inside. The bigger problem is I have to hold on to the steering wheel. That's okay, now I can just my small boob shelf. Get that from you. Oh my god, I'm taking a video. You are.
They're not babies.
If you come to Cades Cove, you might have a lot of this. Just sitting. Oh, what a beautiful spot. You gotta buy it now. Look at that. We are just about to the end of our Cades Cove loop run today. What a nice way to end it. A beautiful little creek. Doing a little day trip today. Wonder if I'll get to see a waterfall. So these are the Smoky Mountains, huh?
That's what they tell me.
That's what they tell you?
Yeah.
Early morning when there's a little fog over.
Oh yeah? Oh, that'd be pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really a pretty view here.
And a little walk up the trail for Mom so she can get some footage of this.
Dirty, slap some dirt on you.
There's the end, baby. There's the end.
I'm gonna say. Melissa and I on the Appalachian Trail. Yeah. Yeah. This is how far I went. I admit it.
I didn't go much further.
Beautiful. But you know, you just got to be able to say that you actually stepped on the
yeah.
Appalachian Trail. So cool.
Yeah.
Here we are, North Carolina, Tennessee state line. Elevation 5,046. Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Melissa's taken me to see a waterfall. Jeff's parking the car. What is this waterfall called?
Cataract Falls. Here's the sign.
There's a sign. There's a sign. Look at these roots. Isn't that cool? Thank you for taking me to see a waterfall. You're welcome.
After we left Tennessee and headed for Florida, we received a phone call. There was a family emergency in California. So we canceled our plans to overwinter in Florida, and we headed west. We moved to the Imperial Dam LTVA, where we would stay for the rest of the year so that we could be close to family in case we were needed.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.